Apple Silicon has been on the Mac for almost 2 years now. We've had M1, M1 Pro, M1 Max, M1 Ultra, and just now with the new MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, M2. But there are just some developers who will not bother to update their apps for these new Apple chips on the Macs. And the developers of OBS, they decide to hop on that train. But luckily, the developers of OBS have created an Apple Silicon beta of their app. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to install it on your Mac. Because, the GitHub link expired. Because it just did. Like, no reason for it. So yeah, let's get into it. Now, sadly, because I use OBS to record, part of every single video recently, I now have to use my phone to record my monitor screen to show you this tutorial. So you can see here, this is the GitHub link, and we would want to download the ARM64 version of this beta, but yeah, every single build is currently expired, so that's just great. But I've uploaded the DMG file onto Google Drive, so yay, you can download it. The link is in the description. So actually, the Apple Silicon beta version isn't a newer version than the current public Intel version. So you can see application, Intel, and the version number is 27.2.4. The beta is just version 27.2.0. So we still need the developers to release a new beta. But for now, if you do have the Intel version installed, this only applies to those who do, just delete the app. And if you use any sort of app cleaner like App Cleaner or Clean My Mac X, then don't remove the files, just delete the app itself. Okay, there you go. So now you can go onto the OBS Studio link and click download. There. So it's going to say it can't scan the file for viruses, but that's okay. Download it anyways. There we go. So it's downloaded onto your Mac, and now you just have to open up the DMG. All right. Oh no, what's this message? That can't be good. All right. So if you want to open up the DMG, now that it shows that message, you're going to have to right-click on the DMG file and click Open. Now a message is going to pop up again, but now it's going to show an Open button. All right, so here we go. Let's drag OBS into Applications. Perfect. We can unmount the DMG, delete it. Okay, so now OBS is in our Applications folder. That's nice. But when you try to open it, it's going to load up in your dock, but yeah. Okay, now you have to right-click and click Open again, and then click Open. And it opens up. Hey, that's me! It's me! Yay! So, yeah, it's saved all my previous settings from the Intel build. So, yeah, that's all for the tutorial. You can see my mic is working properly. I've set up Black Hole on this Mac. If you want a tutorial for that, I can show you as well. And how to use the delete key on your keyboard to delete a file. But everything works. All right, thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Stay safe, wash your hands, take a shower, do whatever you need to do. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.